joints in the bearing. Basically, joints are the weakest and most vulnerable area in the bridge design. In the distress in joint, which will lead to many problems like spalling of concrete, deterioration of pier cap, failure of the bearing, or deterioration of the bearings. The types of joints are construction joint, expansion joint, and contraction joint. The construction joint. Sometimes it is necessary whenever we are placing the concrete, it has to be stopped temporarily before completion of entire monolithic portion under construction due to some failure or some delay in concreting. So there we have to provide the construction joints. So basically these joints should be avoided as much as we can. So these joints should be positioned to minimize the effect of discontinuity on durability, structural integrity, and appearance of the structure if we cannot avoid these things. Also, the joint should be located away from the region of maximum stress due to loading. Now the expansion joint. The expansion joint accommodates the relative movement of bridge elements like concrete shrinkage, creep and movement due to thermal changes, that is expansion or contraction of concrete due to thermal changes. These joints are located at the road level, like we can see in this type of joints. The first is comb plate type, and second is a watertight bridge expansion joint. So these are subjected to impact and vibration due to wheel load due to the passing vehicle on the bridge, and these are exposed to the effect of water, dust, petroleum derivatives, and salt solutions. So types of the expansion joints. The first is the buried joint, which can be suitable for simply supported span with movement up to 10 mm. The service life is 10 years, and these can be used only for the deck with bituminous or asphalt wearing courses. The second is the filler joint. This is also for the simply supported span with movement up to 10 mm. Service life is 10 years and need to be replaced if found damaged. The third is the single strip seal joint, which allow movement up to 80 mm. The service life is of 25 years. The elastomeric seal of these kind of bearing need to be replaced during the service life if found distressed. Then next is a modular strip or box seal joint. It allows the movement over 80 mm. The expected service life is 25 years. In these kind of bearings also, elastomeric seals need to be replaced if found broken or distressed. The next is the finger joint, which allows movement up to 80 to 200 mm. The expected service life is 25 years. These kind of joints are not suitable for vertical or differential vertical movements, and these joints need sound anchorage with decks. Then last is the special joints, which allow movement between 80 to 200 mm. The expected service life is 25 years. These joints designed for the high seismic zones, and special design is required for these kind of joints. So what are the requirements of expansion joints? Though it is the weakest part in performance of the bridge, the leakage from joint cause deterioration in bearing or substructure. The joint should be robust, watertight, and replaceable. It should facilitate good riding quality for vehicle passing over the bridge, satisfactory long-term performance, and durability. This is the strip seal joint, in which we can see the edge beam, then a rubber strip seal and dowel rods. This is another strip seal expansion joint, in which again the strip seal is there, beams are there, and anchorage we can see. This is the bridge expansion joint system, which we have seen earlier in this B water type bridge expansion joint. So these are the joints in the bridges. Thank you.